Couple of beef short ribs I found hiding in the bottom of the freezer. Now this January I'm making a real effort to eat through all those odds and sods I've been squirreling away all year, kind of pre-spring clean I reckon. So I'm going to make a version of the beef short rib pho that's in seared. Super easy and cheaty this one. So ginger, lemongrass, garlic, just chuck it in a pan. Soy sauce and then brown sugar, spices, there's cinnamon, star anise, coriander. Get the short ribs in there, toss them around into the fridge for 24 hours. And then I'm going to use my smoke fryer because it's raining and I just want to lob it in and leave it 3 hours, a little bit of water as well, just baste it every now and then. That's it, top up the water. After 3 hours, going to turn it meat side down, shove some foil over the top, and then another 3 hours or so. Then some pak choi, just scatter it over the top, recover, just another 10 minutes. And then inside, finally, bit of noodles. I know it's the wrong sort of noodles, that's all I had. And then just spoon it on top, lots of herbs, bit of juice. Not quite as much juice as I wanted because I got a bit carried away at the gym. But look at that meat, it's super tender and pully and exactly the kind of thing you want on a wet January day.